Hello, my country people. Now, welcome to our favorite program. As they go for this country, as they go for your state, as they go for your environment, as they go for your office, as they go every corner of this country. Now we will bring now better story on top program. As they go. My name now Dr. Nice.
My name now Idris Abdulkadir. Now welcome once again to As they go.
On this program, as they go, we get different segments. We get security and insecurity,
we get politics and education,
we get entertainment and latest trending. But before we do anything, we'll come back. When I welcome back on issue of security, Chief of Army Staff Atahiru Ibrahim and others died in Kaduna plane crash.
Kai,
my friend.
On top the matter, na bad thing happen for this country. We say Chief of Army Staff die and many others. Na sad story.
You know, my friend, wetin pay me for there say this security of this country it belong to all these prominent people, and if they die now, the country security is highly at risk.
And wetin surprise me be say why be say plane don dey crash. Wetin dey cause am? Abi this plane crash e get matter is the better matter wey be say we gat to look into for Nigeria.
My friend, wetin I see be say for fellow any Nigeria nothing concern am. Why it dey happen? But make e no dey happen na be our first priority. No matter wetin dey happen, I go personally beg the government make dem look into the matter well because these people wey dey die, dem no dey come back, and na people wey be say to replace their type no be small thing, my brother.
On top the tori, me I even hear say they say one lieutenant AA Olufade na from the local government for Kogi State.
And e never tey wey something like that happen. This Arotile or the something, the same local government, the same state Kogi State na im come from.
No be small thing. Me I even hear say the man never tell me say he do wedding o. Him wife now, no be small cry, no be small suffer.
My friend, if you see the wedding, if you see the wedding, we check the wedding.
We pray with something like this will happen again, and we God help the family wey say of people wey say they die. On top that one, we no go stay for that tori. We don happen as protester block Abuja Kaduna highway. They say they no go comot for there until they stop kidnapping and banditry wey say they happen for the there. My guy, wetin you see for that?
You see, this same thing dey happen for everywhere now for country. This is the more reason why we are saying nobody should all these people will die so na big problem, because they alive and they happen for every state. As they happen for Kaduna, na so they happen for Benue State, na so they happen for Rispa State, they happen for everywhere for this country.
On top that one, I even say that road, that same road, Kaduna Abuja highway, they don kidnap almost more than 30 persons. Say they demand million for there. That's why people come para say they no go comot for there until federal government try to do something.
Let me just say now the little one wey dey fit do for their power now they use to alert the federal government, and everything at the end of the day now the federal government now go direct am to beg them say make dem look into the matter for us before it's too late.
Because the security of our all of us dey safe, na matter na the number one thing for everything for life. You no fit do anything if you no dey secure. My guy, tell me to you say tell the people
from my own side for here, Pastor E.A. Adeboye don describe Governor Yaya Ado-Sabelo of Kogi State a man of faith.
We don dey move our tori dey go politics be that my guy say Pastor E.A. Adeboye describe Governor Ado-Sabelo
as a man of faith. Pastor E.A. Adeboye na be the general overseer for Redeemed Christian Church of God. He visit Kogi State on the 22nd of May 2021 wey we dey so na him come describe our governor as a man of faith. My friend, wait for him talk. You know why he describe am like that? He say this issue of coronavirus wey dey happen everywhere. He say he no believe say corona dey and true he say the way he take manage the matter from the beginning of the matter to where we dey so say na him make am call am a man of faith.
Utoro. Na true, yeah. On top that tori, we don move go small na so House of Rep don para o. They say they go scrap NYC as the bill don pass second reading o. My guy, wetin you see for that one?
My brother, from my own perspective, personally, from my own side, me I no support the issue. I be support am.
Me I no support am o. If they scrap NYC now, na so this minister. Sports minister, him talk say he no gree o, say federal government dey still dey committed to NYC because they say NYC na the center for unity wey be say some youth dey come together from different area. Wetin you see on top that one?
My brother, during my own days when me I serve, I remember say na the only first time wey me I go jam rapport with person wey school for outside Nigeria. But the people, you see the food wey they dey give us, na they dey give them. You see the clothes wey we wear, na they dey wear. You see the everything wey we do for inside the camp, na they dey do. Na me I believe say better Nigeria fit happen because copper wey you come from outside na him have been wey me I school for Nigeria.
That mean say na true we beg federal government make dem no scrap NYC because that thing good for all the if you finish school like this you don't think say you dey go NYC you go serve your country. Some people be say dem grow up from north dem fit carry dem go south dem go mix with people dem go know their culture dem go know different people say dem come from the area. We support the sport minister wey talk say that is Sunday Dare he say federal government dey committed to NYC say dem no go scrap am no fear.
So we beg the federal government abeg na beg we dey beg una make una no scrap NYC una my friend so make dem no scrap am for us.
Make dem no scrap am because that I drink here.
On top this politics matter they say for the one wey dey for my side be say Chief David Sola Ayedogbon pay a courtesy visit to Governor Yaya Ado-Sabilo at his residence in Abuja.
Chief David Sola Ayedogbon the man na from Ijimu local government for the community wey be say they call Ayegunlegbede na there come from. He don go visit Governor Yaya Ado-Sabilo. Me I dey hear am small say the man wan go for house of prayer maybe na that's why he visit Governor Yaya Ado-Sabilo. Wetin you reason my guy?
For my side na good move because before you do anything for this state you must learn make the 001 of the state make you know. Me we no know wetin dem go discuss o but me I know say na way forward as he wan contest so if you go see governor if you tell governor ask one or two questions and he pass am. Governor fit say this one o na we go vote for or this one o na we go support so me I see say na better move.
Na so we hear the tori we don't know the thing wey dem discuss and we just dey talk about but we no go stop for the tori we go dey move dey go. The Kogi State Community and Social Development Agency that is CSDA and the outgoing chairman for Kogi State they don commission some project for Ijimu local government Isa Taofik na the outgoing chairman for Ijimu local government and they commission some project for community like Ayetorogbede and Iluagba. The project say the commission na ski acquisition center and some na town hall. My guy wetin you see for there? Na so the CDS chairman Malam Momo he don describe Governor Yaya Bello say he don dey ready to touch every route for the state that's why he dey touch everywhere. But my guy wetin you see?
My friend wetin me I see say na better development na better way forward because you see for villages you get some youth wey be say dem dey just dey go here dey go there dem no get direction dem no get skills dem no get wetin dem dey do with this movement now for the skill acquisition aspect me I believe say dem fit learn one or two wey be say go useful for them before their secondary school.
Abeg my village people una take the advantage of that skill acquisition center una learn better thing you fit learn tailor you fit learn computer you fit learn many things for that area because skill e matter for this era.
And as you go for this country now no job anywhere if you finish your NYSC you must start something with the skill wey you learn you can move on my brother and become somebody.
Na so we no go wait for na so we go move our this thing go latest trend and entertainment on top wetin dey.
On top entertainment nko my friend they say the unerate abi how they dey talk am how they go dey say the unerate wey go wey say na still on top im owners na im go still come back na because come on top entertainment if you do anything wey we no do entertainment you see they say my friend he talk
who dey breathe you don't know where you dey talk.
You know wetin be say he talk you don't know wetin dey happen. From my own side they say popular Nigeria artist Davido buy brand new 2021 Rolls Royce worth of 250 million naira.
Aye me na this kind money wey be say if he solve family problem na only family problem.
For community problems.
All the hostel problems if he solve am na him this guy go take.
My friend he talk if you get that kind of money you no go choke you.
You go choke o, you go choke.
So who get the money na dey breathe o, dem say we dey breathe we no get this money na wetin dem do mean say you no dey breathe be that o.
We no go stop for here on top the tori na so Villarreal don sama Manchester United for Europa so dem carry the cup final o na dem win o. Villarreal people don dey celebrate say dem don win match na so many people dem don go lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ no food dem no carry anything for this season.
My friend you know wetin this kind of thing mean. Na him burn my ticket.
He burn my ticket. Some people dem don sorry Naija bet family.
Man you don burn their ticket. If na another person another day you go reason am well before you carry Manchester United.
All the Man U fans dem una cool down next time na
another year go come another year go come. On top this matter as they go for everywhere, as they go for your country, as they go for your state, as they go for your family, as they go for your office, now so you go dey go and you go dey bring una on top this program.
They say nothing wey start we no go finish we no get past this one we bring for fun. But una still dey continue watch us on top as e dey go. Until
next week we go dey meet, until another time we go dey meet on top this program as e dey go.
Una no forget make you subscribe to our YouTube channel youtube.com/OPONNA-TV and we come dey social media Facebook, Twitter. We come dey Instagram join am
or may you reach us on our website www.oponnatv.com. Until next program we go dey meet we say bye bye.